Hey, do you want to have a look what's in Brett's bag?
What's in your bag? Come on, surprise us.
Let's have a look.
You got a big bag today too, haven't you?
Oh, you were sneaking.
Who?
You were sneaking while I was packing it.
I was just watching over your shoulder.
Sneaking a peek. Let's jump right in.
All right, what do you got?
This is my Rubik's World large bag.
Oh, wow. I'm going to have to zoom out a bit to fit it all in.
Oh, it's a big bag.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh, look what we've got. Put this to the side. We had a huge shipment of Blockhead Motors.
Yes.
And
What are
this,
these? These are the highly sought after bumpers.
aren't they?
Now, we've been waiting months for these.
Months.
So
I'd say nearly a year.
during the lockdowns.
Zoom in. Let's get
Oh,
tight.
we're going zoomies.
Let's get tight, mate. Let's have a look at the laser. Oh, sorry, I didn't have a mani pedi today. Should have.
So during the lockdowns in Japan, they've had a difficulty in finding their manufacturer of these, their machinist. So it's been a while since these have been around, but they're finally back
And these are
in
all
limited numbers.
very limited. So these are the traditional, to me, a 3-hole bumper bar.
Yes.
So we're talking grasshoppers, hornets, frogs.
Probably goes back to like, actually, does
Sand
it?
Scorch-
Yeah, Sandscore, the old tank,
Sand Scorcher.
and the Super Champ, that sort of thing.
Yep. Avantis, all those, yeah.
Maybe not Vanties, wild ones,
Wild ones.
I think.
Anyway, you know the big ones. The big three.
Where's the wild one?
There's a frog over there.
Oh, it's a froggy.
So the frog might get there's a pink one that beckons the frog. There you go.
So there's a 3-hole.
We'll call it the twa hole. We're not in the
The language lesson. And there you go, little compact bling bling.
How cool is
Solid
that?
aluminium,
We might see that on for the up and coming vintage bash.
maybe.
Hey,
Yeah. So there it is there.
these are super popular, and people had pre-ordered and been super patient with us,
Yes.
and they had to be because it was just not. It wasn't a Hearns hobby thing. It was a worldwide thing.
Mm.
And as Australia's only stockist for Blockhead Motors,
Mm.
we're actually privileged to be able to bring this to Australia.
Yeah. So they've got a lot of colours. Was that
Yeah.
every single colour we've got left?
No. So there's a navy
There's
blue,
a pink as well.
there's a pink, there's a red. I just grabbed the nice bright ones.
Yep. There's a bronze as well.
There's a bronze one, yeah.
Yep.
So check the website
Yep.
for the full listing.
Yes.
There is only 2 pink ones left.
Got some stickers.
Got some stickers. That's not the only stickers we got, but
No.
we've also got the caps.
Oh yeah.
I didn't bring a cap in, but you've all seen my cap. I usually wear it on most race days.
It's a cool cap.
That is a cool cap. What have I got here? Oh! What have we got here?
Perfect for winter.
Perfect for winter. That's why I thought I would get this one out,
Mm.
because what we have here is your favorite thing: rustling plastic.
Yeah, I'm a master of that.
Sorry, guys, everybody at home watching. I should have been better organized, but that's exactly how you will receive your Arrowmax tire warmers.
I didn't ask for permission, but I'm opening it.
Get into it. There's a bag in a bag. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. So these are the tire warmers. Anybody who races 1/10 on road will be very familiar. If they're not familiar with these, they would definitely be on their wish list, because these are the best in the market. These are really, really cool. They have a super small program box.
Yep.
Which is really nice. Sits on the bench nice.
Yep.
It's got the 2 little plugs here, so you got the front and rear. It can run off 3S, or 12-volt power supply. So a simple little connector here. Comes
So you could
with,
plug a battery into it and keep the warmers on as you walk.
yeah,
onto the track.
that's what the cool kids do.
Yep.
They either do that or they just leave the cups on.
Mm.
You just leave the cups on because you don't want it to come off. And look at these cups. How nice are these?
These are the rubberized ones.
Oh, these are rubberized ones.
Do you
Really,
prefer
really
rubberized?
Yeah, I think they're a little bit neater when you're working with tire goops and stuff like that. They're a bit neater and they don't absorb it and they don't get as minky. They're easy to wipe off.
Manky. That's a
So-
great word.
Is it?
Love it.
Minky, manky. And they're very, very robust.
Mm.
These tire warmers are really robust.
Yep.
You can overheat them. You don't want to leave them at 90 degrees and then walk away with no tires on them. But they will have safety features on there, but you definitely won't do them any favors.
Yep.
But
Very
yeah, and they will go up to 80, 90 degrees.
Yes.
Generally, we don't go any higher than 50 or 60. But yeah, they are a bit of a must-have if you're racing 1/10 on-road.
So you warm your drink with it too. You put your cup of coffee in it. You probably don't recommend that.
Well, why not? If it works,
Might be.
I'd recommend it. Some people even put their tires like not on the car; they just put them in there.
Oh, just sit in there
I
and
don't
cook.
know. You could put it on your ears.
We've done that before.
Have you?
In your pockets.
In your pocket. I
Mm.
don't know that it would fit in your pocket, but you can put it on your ears.
Mm.
Not that I can hear very well, but it could keep your ears warm.
I look like DJ. DJ Cans. There you go.
Yeah, that wasn't cool. But yeah, Arrowmax tire warmers, really happy to have those back in stock.
Nice.
Super popular this time of year. We've got some
That's
big
good
races
news.
coming up.
Yes,
Perfect accompaniment to your BD12.
absolutely.
And
What's that?
this is the last thing in my bag.
What is it?
Oh,
Oh,
Orca speed controller.
this is that special one.
Well, it's not. Yeah,
Well, it's pretty special. I think it's pretty special.
I think it's very unique in the fact that it does brushed and brushless.
Yeah.
It's the only one from the Orca stables that will do brushed and brushless.
Yep.
And we're gonna put it in a car and we're gonna see how it goes.
Yep.
So we're gonna run it in the Bullet, the mighty Bullet.
Mhm.
We're gonna take it club racing.
Yep.
And look at it. It comes with a program box. It's got all the parameters on the back there. So
Yeah, it's great. That's one of the great features. You know, you can adjust all these parameters.
Yeah.
Which is something that was a bit lost with brushed speed controllers.
yeah,
That said nothing, right?
other than the 410K with the little keypad on it,
Oh,
all
yes.
you had was the current limiting dial.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
good old
remember
days
that?
on the Novaks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You could turn it from like 140 down to less than your punch.
Yep.
But now there's all sorts of parameters, even in brushed mode.
Yes.
And it's not going to be used with a performance brushed motor, just a Johnson style 27 turn. But have a look at how neat it is.
So this is brushed
Comes-
and brushless.
Comes with a fan. I don't think we'll be needing that because I'm only
Very
going to put it
compact.
21.5.
Yep.
So yeah, nice small speed controller.
Let me just focus on that. It's a bit out of funkiness at the moment.
Out of funkiness.
There we go.
We're into funkiness.
It's in full funky
Comes
now.
with a XT60.
Hmm.
I'll probably lop that off and put a Dean's plug just because I'll be using the 9 steps lipos that we run in the phaser,
Yes.
the Kyosho, and in Winnie as well.
Mm.
So comes with a little diode,
Cap
all,
pack.
all pre-soldered, which is really nice. Yeah, so it comes with brushed and brushless capabilities.
Yeah.
And you can switch between it on the program box. So we're going to see how that works out. We're going to be putting that into,
What's it going into?
it's going into the mighty Bullet.
Oh,
The mighty Bullet.
one of them.
Yep. So it's going to be a pretty simple operation, I hope. But we will do it in the studio anyway. So we'll remove the speed controller.
Very nice sort of
a look at-
beginners type car.
Yeah. Remount buggy.
Yep.
Um,
Very old school retro.
we're going to send it. We'll put it in the 21.5 class over there at Knox. Knox Off Road.
Yep.
So we'll get it set up and see the capabilities of your entry level ready to run buggy.
I think I'll do fairly reasonably.
Well, I think it'd be all right. It's fairly modern in geometry,
That's right.
you know, and the quality and versatility of this thing, it's really good. Like we haven't broken it. I think
No.
we've broken the servo.
No.
A certain person here might have driven into a pipe a few times and
So
broken the
aluminium chassis?
servo. But apart from the servo teeth, you know, failing at your
That was a while ago. I'm better now.
you're better now. But yeah, so we'll put the speed controller in. We'll try it unbrushed. Then we'll quickly unsolder it and try 21.5 and see the actual performance difference.
Yep.
I'm tipping it's going to be about threefold.
I reckon it's going to be big.
Hey?
Yep.
So that
I'm
is
looking
really
forward to
cool. And that is an Orca unit. And they're not very dear. They're actually really, really reasonably priced, really good value.
That's right.
It's going to be a perfect project.
The good old Bullet.
The good old Bullet.
That's it. I think we're going to have to weigh this thing now.
Are we?
We've got some guesses on the weight, and we can't really progress if we don't know if it's going up or down.